again. Oh, here we go again. Let's do it one more time, yeah. Oh, here we go again. Oh, 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 she's in my kitchen with too much heat. She got my flapjack slipping. No matter what I do, she wanna scramble eggs.
I mean, this isn't the mine, but like, clearly this is where the work went on. I mean, look at that. Tell me that ain't a big old engine motor type thing. Look at that.
Oh, here we go again, yeah.
Yo, let me give you some context. So back in September, me and Logan went up to Westcliffe to visit an old mine that he had been to before. Okay, this mine has like a whole town around it. Dope area, super cool vibes. While we were there, we actually decided to go in the mine itself. And normally the mine's iced off, so you can't really go in past 100 feet or so. But this time it was melted, so we decided to go in. And that's kind of what this video is about. So, check it out.
Didn't bring a headlamp though.
I don't even got my phone on me.
I got mine.
Sweet.
Come on, bro. Oh, dude.
Where are we at?
We in the mine, but it's still filled with ice. It doesn't seem to thaw out. So, deciding whether or not we should go further. I hope there isn't a bunch of water in here.
Well, if there is, I'll get it on video. Open it up at all?
No. Oh, my hands are so cold. Bro. I turned the corner. There you go, bro.
Okay, I need your spot because I have a light.
Look at, take a picture. Holy cow, take a picture of that. Oh my god.
It sounds like glass. There's your light. It's a long ways away now. I didn't think Logan would talk me into going this far, but we made it.
Look at this, bro.
So,
look at this.
This is what the video is going to be about now. You're on the ground now. What is happening? Yo, guys, I don't even see a light at this point. Yo, our lifeline is your phone battery, Logan.
Yeah, bro.
My voice says nothing when I scream I stretch my hand, but my...
Dude, this doesn't even look real.
It's because it isn't. I'm trying not to think about the fact that we're in a mountain, we could die, but that's okay. Here's your update, guys. We're walking faster because I'm cold. I'm very cold.
It is cold.
But it's okay.
Oh, damn, bro. We got a split in the road.
Oh my gosh. Yo. Should we come back in a few weeks prepared?
Why can't we go now?
Okay, let's go. If you're going to wander into a abandoned mine, be smart and make arrow signs like Logan. Be like Logan. Be smart. Don't die. Now my camera's been on straight for 5 minutes, so we've been walking for a while.
Oh, dang, really?
There's your update. I turned it off a lot at the start, but now it's just kind of on. Because you never know when we're going to die.
Dude, we're freaking deep in here.
We are so far in this tunnel right now. Another update. Switch to manual focus because it's too dark.
We've still only made one turn.
And it was a right.
It was a
Right?
It was a left.
Whoa.
What is that?
That's weird.
Is it dust? Is it frozen dust?
Frozen dust. Yo!
Is this frozen dust?
That's cool. So cold the dust freezes.
It does? Does it say 1937? We're freaking in a movie now.
Oh, dude.
They always say go right. That's what they always say.
Goddamn. That goes through, bro.
It does?
It's like, I ain't doing it.
Okay.
I'm gonna need gear.
Right now I'm being lit by my monitor on my camera. So you can't see anything. 51,000 ISO. It probably looks like crap, but here we are in a cave and I have not a flashlight. Where'd you go, Logan? We have reached the end, so we're gonna head back. Logan's a ninja over here.
Yep, that's about as far as we got.
Indeed.
All right.
Okay, it's overexposed. It looks like trash. I don't care. I don't have a microphone. I don't care. We made it. I got dirt on my nose.
There you go, son.
We just came out of a freaking mine. Also, I'm laying at this barrel because it's really warm. Show the people, Logan.
Dude, my hands it was cold in there. It was cold. I don't know how cold it was. But I could see my breath. So it was pretty cold in there.
That's the end. I'm done. You know, I'm learning it is so easy to go through the motions and to live the same day every single day, going to work, going to school, whatever you may be doing. But I'm also learning the importance of trying new things, whether that's taking a different route on the way to work or school in the morning, or going someplace you've never been before, using your weekend to hang out with friends. Maybe it's getting away from people. It doesn't matter what it is, but the moral of the story is don't get so caught up in the same routine. You're in charge of your life. Go make it happen.
I want to shine.